Hi everyone! Happy Thanksgiving! So ever since I moved to America, we celebrated Thanksgiving with turkey. Like how we're supposed to. Because my dad's company always gave us free turkey. Since this is my second year of living alone or living with roommates, my roommates and I are doing a Friendsgiving on a Wednesday, and I was thinking about alternatives of turkey because personally not a favorite of a turkey. I don't like the taste of it, and I feel like every time we don't finish it we end up throwing it away because we don't know what to do with it. So I decided to use chicken instead, and I decided to deep fry it. It's really easy to make. You just season it with some salt and pepper and lightly add flour. Just sprinkle it a little bit, and you deep fry it on kind of like a low medium heat since it has to cook inside too. And then when it's almost done cooking, you cook it on high heat so that it'll become crispy. So it kind of fell apart because I think I kept taking it in and out. Some rice and rice. I don't know, I love fried chicken and rice. It's really good. It's kind of hot. So it kind of looks like, it's really hot. So it kind of looks like that. Maybe 30 to 40 minutes to cook. It isn't bad. Oh jeez. I'm not gonna eat this. Oh my god. You see that? So, I actually bought the chicken at Target for I think about $6.99. It was either $6.99 or it was still under $8, so it's cheap. The skin's not as crispy as I want it to be, but it's okay. It's so hot. I also have the Asian chili sauce from B-Dubs, Buffalo Wild Wings. Is anyone going out of state or even country to visit their family for Thanksgiving? My parents and I live in the same state. We actually live 40 minutes apart, so it's not bad. I get to see them whenever I want. Last year, I brought the premium gold label, the Johnny Walker, right? The Johnny Walker. The Johnny Walker whiskey. And my dad texted me yesterday, so are you gonna bring Blue Label this year? I'm like, I don't know, like, Dad, I'm poor. I really wish I could, but actually I might. Because my dad loves whiskey. My mom is more of kind of like sake or like the Korean, the Korean Korean drink soju. She likes those. My dad is more like whiskey, beer. He likes that, so. I think I'm more of a beer person, but I don't like whiskey. I don't like sake or soju. If I drink soju, I get the worst hangover. So I don't really like that. Sake, I like the sweet ones, nigori. I like those, but because they're sweet. Like, I drink beer for a taste and I like it. But like whiskey, like, I don't know how people can enjoy that. It's just nasty. And like Johnny Walker Blue Label goes up to, I think it's between 160 and 200 at a liquor store or Vinny's. And I don't know like why anyone would spend that much money on liquor. But I heard that once you like those kind of really good quality liquors, like you're supposed to, even though you get drunk, you're supposed to wake up really fast. Like you don't even have to like wait overnight to like get sober, or you don't even have to. And in fact, like you don't get any hangovers if you drink like the really good whiskeys. But like, I don't know. That's still not worth $160 for me. I feel like those kind of drinks are more of kind of status thing, which I don't care about. I remember when I first drank, I was in high school. So we went to this pub that they don't check ID. And what year was this? Junior year or senior year? So I was still underage. Everyone was. And we decided to go to the pub because we knew that they're not gonna serve us liquor because they don't check ID. So we dressed up really like mature. We wore makeup, so just to make sure. And we drank soju, the Korean liquor, the Korean alcohol, whatever. And we were sitting down, and some of my friends already drank before, so they are aware of their tolerance, but I have no idea. And I don't know why, I always believed that I could drink a lot. I could tolerate a lot. I don't know why. And people told me that I look like that kind of person for some reason. I always believed that if I start drinking, I could drink a lot. So we were sitting down and we started drinking. And I was like, dude, like, you're right. Like, it's not hitting me. Like, I feel like I'm getting a little tipsy. But I felt I took like 3 shots in a row. My first time drinking ever. But we were all sitting down. So I was like, oh, you know, this is fine, whatever. I'm like, so we're having fun time. And I got up to go to the bathroom and like I somewhat blacked out because you gotta get up and let your body absorb the alcohol a little bit. But since I was sitting down the whole time, I had no idea that I had that much alcohol in my body. And I only remember parts of that night. I remember throwing up on my best friend's pants. And yeah, somehow I got home. That night was crazy. And after that night, I'm like, this alcohol doesn't even taste good. Like, when I watch movies or TV dramas, they make it look so, like, sweet and really delicious. But when I tried it, I'm like, this sucks. Like, I don't know why anyone would drink this. So I didn't go near alcohol for a couple years until I went to college. Yeah, so after that time, I didn't go near alcohol until freshman year of college. That's a totally different story. Freshman year of college was more of drinking because, you know, you dress up with your friends, wear makeup, you know, get ready together, and then you go to a frat party, or you go to a club. Just really fun, actually. And you meet guys. But it was really fun. Like, even when I started drinking in college, you know, I wasn't able to pace myself, or I didn't know my limits. So there were so many incidents where, like, when we pregame at my friend's house, and then we're like, okay, let's go to the club after. I couldn't even make it to the club because I got so drunk at the pregame. So, I don't know. I'm pretty sure everyone thought I was such a noob. They're like, who is this girl? Can't even drink 2 shots and she's blacked out. So my tolerance is very, very low. I can't drink much. Even right now, if I drink 1 beer, I'll be somewhat tipsy. But I actually really like beer though, like with chicken, or like I really like the light beers, like Coors Light. It's really good. I like Blue Moon, even though it's not light. But when I drink those, I only drink half because I drink it for the taste. And it always makes me too full, so I can't even finish it. And people always tell me, you gotta do, like, when you're drunk, you get hungry. I'm like, I don't get hungry, I'm full. Like, I don't want to eat anything, I don't want to drink anything, I just want to go to sleep. So that was another hard part. Whenever my friends and I go out for drinking, we're like, everyone's somewhat hungover, and we want to go home. I want to go home and sleep. But they would be like, oh, let's stop by Denny's, or I have and got something to eat. I'm like, dude, I want to go home. I don't even know why. I don't know how anyone could eat at like 5 in the morning when they're like drunk. But whatever. I think end of freshman year, I was dating this guy. Where both of us were at a frat party. But, you know, I guess I was pretty drunk. And I was just kind of going everywhere. And my boyfriend got mad. Okay, well, like, whatever. Like, sure, you can be mad. I mean, you're drunk too, but I guess you can be mad at me. But I don't know why he was so pissed anyways. Like, didn't we come here to get drunk, right? Whatever. He didn't want to take care of me. Like, my boyfriend, he did not want to take care of me. So he asked someone random, well, like, not a stranger, but I barely knew this girl. I met her once or something. He asked her to bring me to her house so he could have fun. Like, he didn't even come with me. He didn't even drop me off. He stayed there asking someone else to drop me off. I'm like, well, I couldn't think at the moment because, I was drunk, whatever. But the next day I woke up, I'm like, where the heck am I? And I checked my phone, and he said, like, I'm really mad at, like, my ex-boyfriend texted me saying, I'm mad at you, you, like, disappointed me. I'm like, what the freak? Like, what do you expect at the party? And I should be mad at you for not taking care of me. I mean, if he was drunk and I was sober, I would take care of him. And next day, I was that same day, I was walking home. And my friend called me. She's like, yeah, dude, like, I saw your boyfriend talking to his girls, and they were, like, hugging each other and stuff. I'm just like, oh, what the But I guess he wanted me to go home so bad because one of his good girlfriend came down to our school, to see him. I'm like, so you make me leave so you could feel free to talk to another girl? I don't know. That was just, I don't even know why I tolerated him like that. Like, if you guys have nothing to hide, and if it's just really your friend, like, why does it matter if I'm there or not? Like, why did you need me to be not there to talk to her? That's just so iffy. In college, now I think about it, I had the worst relationship problems. I think I'm one of those people that always have a boyfriend or always have someone around because, I guess I'm dependent on them. But I don't know. And that same boyfriend, I broke up with him after 1 year of dating because I felt like I was so mistreated. At the same time, he was so insecure. He always needed to know what I was doing. And I was like, one day, I was home watching TV because I just want to relax with no one around. He would not stop texting me. He would not call me. He would not stop calling me. And I was so pissed off. I'm like, this guy needs to find something else to do besides bugging me. And like that happened so many times, and I had to break it off because I just felt like, I don't know, like he wasn't treating me right. We broke up because, we were just kind of getting things like, we were trying to end in good terms, and we were trying to have a right closure. Well, anyways, my camera keeps shutting down because it's overheated, so I'll continue my story next time. And I probably can't even finish this in the video because I talk too much. But enjoy your meal, enjoy your time with your family and friends, and eat a lot, relax, rest, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!